Welcome back friends. Today's video topic is how to create a dynamic search bar in Microsoft Excel. As you can see in the screen, here I have created this search bar, and based on the value that I put here in this search bar, the matching result will be given here. In the sheet 1 I have the source data, which has the sales data of XYZ Company Private Limited, and if I want to search for a specific value, then I can go here in the source sheet, then put here the keyword. For example, if I want to search for the result of sales sold by Jack, then I can put here Jack, and here you see the sales detail for this particular sales representative is given here. Similarly, if I want to search here the sales for pen drive only, then I can put here pen drive. Then the result for pen drive will be displayed. So here in this video I'll show you the step-by-step process of creating this kind of search bar in Microsoft Excel. Let's get started. First of all, you have to open the workbook where your source data is. In this workbook I have the source data, so let me open it. Here you see this is the source data. First of all, you have to save this workbook as a macro enabled Excel file. For that, click on the file tab, save as. In the type of the file, select this macro enabled Excel workbook. Choose the location where you want to save the file. Let me select desktop. Then click on the save button. Close this workbook. Here you see the macro enabled version of the file is created. Open this workbook. Now you have to convert your source data into the table format. For that, select your data starting from the column header till the last row. Then click on the insert tab, then table. If your data has table headers, then select this my table has header option, then click on OK. Now you have to rename this table. For that, click on the table design, then here in the table name, put the name of the table, for example sales data. Then press enter. Now create here a new sheet by clicking on the plus button and rename this sheet as search. Next, you have to create here the search bar. For that, click on the insert tab, illustrations, shapes, then take this rectangle rounded corner shape. Click, hold and drag your mouse to draw the shape like this. Increase the row height of row number 1 and 2. Then keep this search bar here in this place. Click on insert tab, illustration, icons. In the search bar, search for the word search. This will show you some icons related with this word search. Take one icon, then click on insert. Make this icon smaller, then keep it inside this shape. Then click on developer tab, insert, then click on this text box ActiveX control, then draw the text box over here by click, hold and drag your mouse. Now click on this text box, right click, then go to properties, and here in the name of this text box, make it search box. Search box. While writing the name, don't include any space. Now close this properties window. Now you have to create a group of all these three shapes. For that, click on the first one, press and hold the control key in the keyboard, then select the text box, then the icon. When all three shapes are selected, click on the graphics format, click on the group tool, then click on group option. This will create a group of all these three shapes. When you move this, all three shapes moves together. Now click on the developer tab, then exit from design mode by clicking on this design mode option. Next, to display here the matching result based on the value we put here in the search bar, we have to write the VBA code. The required VBA code I have already written here in this notepad document. This is the code. I'll put this code download link in the video description below, from where you can directly copy this code. To copy, first of all select all the code, then right click and copy. Minimize this notepad, go to Excel sheet, then right click on this source sheet, then click on view code. Here in the coding window, just paste the code that you copied, and here in this code you have to do some modification. In these 3 lines of code, you have to update the source data sheet name, the source sheet name, and the table name. In my case, the source data sheet name is sales data. Here you can see, so I don't need to do any change. But in your case, if you have a different name in your source data sheet, then you have to update the sheet name here. Similarly, update the source sheet name here. In my case, the name of the sheet is source, so I don't need to make any change. And the name of the table is also sales data. If you have a different table name of the source data, like if you see here in this table, the name of the table is sales data, so you have to update this table name here in the code. After making this change, you can simply close this VBA window, go to the source sheet. Now when you put here some value, here you see the result starts to show. If I put here a sales representative name, for example Jack, the matching result with Jack are given here. If you want to search for the sales detail of a specific date, for example January 4th 2023, here you see the result for January 4th 2023 sales is given. So in this way you can create a dynamic search bar in Microsoft Excel. Thank you very much for watching. See you again in next tutorial.